Okay.
Casey, my goggles on my legs.
Can I have them?
Yeah. Yeah. I can have the GoPro.
I'm gonna try to do. Here, you record me at first, but you have to keep the blue thing on your wrist and do it perfectly straight, and then I'm gonna do it while I jump in. Alright, so face it at me.
Hold up. Let me back up. Hold up, guys.
Face it at me.
Alright, let me back up. Not too afraid of it splash. Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna do it right here. Do you have it?
Yes, but it's... No. I'm gonna go in the ladder in 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, she can't. I'm trying to teach her how to, but... Alright.
Casey.
Ellie, what jump do you want me to do?
Can is follow you.
Ellie, do you want to both go underwater, but like actually go under with their head forward?
Okay.
3.
Wait, hold
2.
up.
When I say go, not when I say 1, but when I say go. 3, 2, 1, go. What? Yeah, it's a GoPro. It's waterproof. Can she swim? Let me just...
Oh, that's hot.
That's for $1.
Be careful with your head though when you go down.
Mom, would you give me $1 if I went underwater? Wait, Mom. Mom, I want to. Alright, guys, I want to go underwater. In 3, 2. I know, that's what I'm doing. Fine. 3, 2, 1. Yes, I am.
All right, it's my birthday and I just got back from getting this huge iced coffee from Starbucks for my birthday reward. And I just got this pure Vita packaging, and I wanted to show you guys. Pure Vita does they're really popular with like teens here, and I actually really like them. I have a bracelet from them, but I placed a big order over Memorial Day because everything was 40% off, and I had a feeling that Aubrey was going to get baptized in Rush. She just went to Rush, and I'll include some pictures and the small video I have of her. But so I wanted to give her something, a small gift to remember it by that wasn't necessarily a cross. So I ordered a bunch of things. So it says that this company was founded in Costa Rica. Each purchase helps provide full-time jobs for the people around there. So the first thing we got is this bracelet, and the bracelets are just kind of like that. I have a best friend one for me and my best friend. So this one is beach, and it was, all of this came to like $43, which I don't think is bad at all. I think it's actually pretty affordable, but all the ones I got were kind of ones. So when Aubrey grows up, she wants to be a marine biologist, and she's like all about sea turtles and all that type of stuff. So I kind of got ones that all kind of went towards that. So I'm going to take them all out of the packages where you can see kind of how they are, and then I'll show you what we got. All right, so like I mentioned, all of this stuff came to $42.40. I had free shipping, so it was like over $39. And again, sorry, I'm filming this on my GoPro. So the first one is this peace sign charm, and I don't know if you can see that, but it has a little peace sign. This one was $6. It was normally $10. This one I'm saving for her birthday. That's going to be a birthday present because she always throws up a peace sign. So I got that one for her. The next one is the charity water one that I got, and that one is here. This one is normally $6, and I paid $4.80 for it, and it's all about, I believe, giving clean water to people that need clean water. The next one is the Surfrider Foundation. This one is all about cleaning up the ocean, I believe. I forget. They were all like that kind of, theme. This one was also $6, and I paid $4.80 for it. The next one was Save the Dolphins, which was this one. So I figured she would love that. And that one was regularly $6. We got it for $4.80. This one was Save the Turtles, which, girlfriend loves her some turtles. That one was $6 from $4.80. The next one that we got is the Beach Marine Debris Solution, which is to clean up the ocean, which is this one. That one was normally $6, and we got it for $4.80. And then the main thing I wanted to get her was this wave ring that I'm sure you've seen tons of people have. You kind of wear it on your middle finger, and I just figured it would remind her of that trip. This was normally $12, and we got it for $8.40. And then I did get a mystery bracelet, which must have been this one, which is really pretty, I think. Excuse me. And this one we only paid $4 for, and it was $6 for. Sorry, my kids were fighting. I had to stop and deal with that. But yeah, so I am very impressed. So she's getting this as part of her gift. I'm going to give her this one for her birthday, and I think I'm going to save this one for her birthday. And I think I'm going to give her the turtles and the dolphins, and I don't know which one. I think I'll give her this one for her birthday, and then I'll give her this one, and then these ones will be for her birthday. Her birthday is September 1st, so it's not like it's that far away. But I'm going to give her these, and then she has a really nice devotional, so I'm not going to give her a devotional. She has a really nice Bible. I may go to Love Street and see if I can find her like a really delicate cross necklace, but I would want it to be a good cross necklace. So I think for now I'm just going to give her this and write her a card that says, we're really proud of her, and maybe get her like a devotional journal or something like that. Because, I want her to remember this, and where it was a beach trip where she got baptized and all that stuff, I just think it'll be really cool for her to remember that. So the best birthday present that you can get as a mother is your child making that decision on your birthday. It sucked I wasn't there, but I'm glad she did it. I want to get your reaction to your... I want to get your reaction to your room.
I already saw pictures.
I know, but it just looks really clean and smells nice.
Did you guys clean the litter box every day?
I cleaned it.
Thank you. Bought me a rug. What's the taxes on it? Ooh, a present.
I figure you could put pictures from Rush in there. Oh my god.
What's a pure Vita bracelet?
Read the card first. Paint dry. I figure you could put pictures from the trip there, like of your baptism or whatever.
Why is it green? Oh. You guys bought this in Poland?
No, so this one is just a basic one. There's nothing to that one.
Costa Rica?
Oh no, this one Save the Sea Turtles. So a little bit of each sale of that goes to save the sea turtles.
Can you get me a metal straw, please?
And that one was Save the Beaches, so like beach cleanup.
Why are you in here? Go away. Where's my other one? I already lost it. I thought it was gonna be an iPhone at first because you got something from the iPhone store, and it was like, oh, you got me one of the. I was actually gonna buy one of these at the store. Thank you.
And then y'all remember getting baptized in the waves.
Yeah, I was about to, the waves actually weren't that bad this morning, which is awesome. I was about to buy one of those, but then I didn't.
And then that one's dolphins, I think, or fish. Waves, so that's beach cleanup.
Thank you.
And then all your room stuff.
We should go to Braves games. That's what we should do.
I know.
Huh?
We're Red Sox fans.
No Braves games. We obviously Red Sox would. Wait years.
Atlanta's celebrating my birthday.
I know, that's what I said. I was about to say it's probably